Alright guys, this is Tony the Node Savage um, from the 786 Assassins group off of Discord, where you can find me and a whole bunch of other people on there. You know, the face of the group is Carolina Keith. You might know him. He's also on YouTube, Twitter. You know, guy's a beast. But there's also a whole bunch of other people in there that are great to learn from, and they also teach. And there's just plenty of knowledge in there, guys. So if y'all want to join in and find me and a whole bunch of other great people, like, there's Papa Nick Fresh, China Matt, Keith, Drizzy, a whole bunch of, just shout out to all those guys. They're all great traders, and, you know, they make just a great group of guys. And there's a whole bunch of people in there learning every day. I also teach one-on-ones, so you can find my link at the bottom of the description on this video. But let's get into this strategy. I call this the simple strategy, or the simple strat. And I'm going to break it down because I've actually been getting quite a few DMs about this and how it works. And I guess some people just don't understand it completely, but it's cool. That's what we're here for, right? We're here to learn. Okay. Now, the way this strategy works is you have 3 moving averages, similar to the 50, 100, and 200. If you're in the group, you already know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, here you go. It deals with the 5 moving average, simple moving average, the 13 moving average, and the 26. The 5 is your blue line here, which is called your execution line. Then you got your median right here, which is the yellow line, the 13 moving average. And then you got your baseline, which is here, the red line, which obviously follows trend. Now, the reason I call this your execution line is because, for example, here, you're looking to buy. Like right here. That'll be your first buy position, right? That's where you enter first. The moment that blue line crosses that median line, that'll be your first position. And obviously use risk management and all that good jazz. Only risk what you're willing to lose, okay? Now, your second entry would be right here, once that execution line crosses that baseline. So let's do another one here. Okay, now you got 2 entries. And you would do this until you got another indication that's going the other way. So that execution line finally crossed down here, right? Telling you it's time to change direction. So do this here. Awesome. Okay, so let's see what kind of a move this was here. Man, it's quite a big move there. And this is on the daily, mind you, okay? So that's not bad. But yeah, that's basically how it breaks down. Now let's go ahead and we put those candles in there. Bam. So yeah, simple strategy, similar to the 8 and 21. It just moves a bit quicker, honestly, when I put them side to side. But more or less, it's a good strategy to learn, and it's quite simple. It's simple to use. It's not very hard to understand. I guess for beginners it can be, since you don't really know what you're looking at. But yeah, that's the basics of it. And then it'll be the similar situation when it goes bearish or changing direction, right? So Let's clear this out again. Like I said earlier, we have that execution line crossing down, right? We cross down, and then we cross again towards the baseline. Now here, you can see it did want to come up. That's why you don't ever enter a position unless you get full confirmation. It has to cross, guys, okay? Do not do a premature entry. And if you can't tell, do that here. You see that? It did touch that median, but it never broke that median, okay? Or broke that moving average. It just traveled along with it, came back down. Here, you actually got a confirmation of a buy. So right here is when you would have gotten out of it, okay? So that's the way you use that. Okay, guys, I'll leave a link at the bottom of this video to the Discord group, to the broker that I use, and also if you're looking to do one-on-ones, I'll also do that. And yeah, see you guys there. And if you have any other questions, just send me a message. I will respond. Even if it takes a minute, I do get back with you. So yeah, come join us, man. Learn how to trade, make some money, because that's what we're all here for. All right, peace out, guys.